Good morning. Welcome out here to the gym. It's Tuesday morning. No, it's Wednesday morning. Wow, we're already at Wednesday. All right. Tuesday. Anyway, it's Wednesday morning and today is an active rest day. And today we'll be doing the Articulate Your Spine. And welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. So the Articulate Your Spine is a routine. It's a Pilates routine, and the basics of Pilates, it's to engage your spinal movement so you can feel that relationship between your spine and your abdomen. I don't know, maybe there is one, maybe there isn't, but after doing this for a while, I actually can start visualizing and somewhat kind of moving one vertebrae at a time. It's not an easy concept, so you have to really focus on it. But this is 6 moves, takes about 5 minutes. After the Pilates, I'll go out, and this is starting the split where I start my jog again. So we'll start the jog again outside, and it'll be a ramp back up to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we'll ramp back down for our leg workout next week. So anyway, let's get on with this Articulate Your Spine routine. Get done with that. Like I say, it only takes about 5 minutes, and we'll head out on a walk and we'll come back and chat. So anyway, let's get this Wednesday on the road. Get on over to Hunt, folks. Let's do it. Let's hit it. Active rest day is done. So we've got our Articulate Your Spine. Actually kind of feeling like I might be getting the hang of that. Doubt it'll show, but definitely on the roll down, very beginning one. Before I was having a hard time not just bending at the hip to get down. By the time I finished the roll down, I felt like I was able to curl at the back on the way down instead of, use the spine and try to focus on the vertebrae at a time where, not really feeling each vertebrae, but you're bending at the back, you're curving the back instead of bending at the hips. So, and all the other ones the same way. The forward stretch, there's a couple of them. There's a roll up. The roll up, I was definitely able to feel it. And then I got far enough in that was becoming a little more natural, that I started to focus on the abs and crunching the abs in while I was focused on that. And that actually kind of did help out a little bit. So anyway, we're moving along on that. We're gonna keep doing it and see if we can hone in on what that's all about. So anyway, walk, jog. I don't know where I ended up. Well, let me look right quick. Let's see if we can look at the watch and do this at the same time. 12:54, so under 13. My goal was 13:30s and under 14, between 13 and 14, and I was under 13. Once I start jogging, can't stop. I could tell my legs were tired from yesterday's squat routine, so I think next Wednesday I better make myself kind of take it a little more easy, more in the 13s, so I don't wear out what I did yesterday on the squat day. So anyway, that's working out pretty good. Broke a sweat even though it's breezy, so finally we're getting some temperatures back up. Not feeling like it's winter time anymore. So of course here in Texas, winter is pretty mild, but like this morning we're in the high 60s. So easy to break a sweat for me in the high 60s, especially on jogging. So anyway, we'll let you go. We'll be out tomorrow for the back workout. It'll be sets of 11. on pull-ups. I was able to get of the, let's see, last week sets of 10 of the 40, 39 of the 40, and just don't know if I'll be able to get 44 this time. We'll see. We'll see where, just don't know where that one's gonna end up. So I'm surprised I made it through that many of the sets of 10. So hopefully I'll be surprised with the sets of 11 too. I'd love to be strong in the back like that and be able to do pull-ups without the assistance especially. So we'll work on it. We're gonna keep working on it. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. We'll see you tomorrow for the back routine. You guys get out there and get some longevity training so we can meet age with grace. Do it, folks, let's do it. So anyway, we'll let you go. You guys take care, be safe. See ya.